I can see it in your stars. Life is getting so exciting. Driving in your car, your world is so inviting, but you're in position to call the shots. Let me loose, honey. No problem. Into every life a little, but into every life a little rain must fall. Anyone who imagines they can blind you with science, bully you all over in property and finance, playing really cool and looking so mysterious. Honey, your every day is full of sunshine, but into every life a little rain must fall. Others seem to think you are over-dramatizing. Problems at work must be rather irritating. There's little you can do to alter their opinions. It's cool. You want to clear your reputation, but into every life a little rain must fall. That's good.